Hello and welcome to Google ecosystems and how to use them. Today we're going to be looking at split screens or multitasking. This is by a viewer request, and it's a very simple procedure to do, and what it will enable you to do on the Chromebook is work with two screens side by side, and you can use both of those screens at the same time. So if you wanted to watch a video whilst doing some work, you can do that. Just split the screen into two parts and then watch the video whilst you're working. With the Pixel phone, it's exactly the same, but the screens go top and bottom, obviously, because it's a wider screen vertically. And that works the same way. You'd be able to watch a video whilst doing typing messages or something like that, or having two apps open if you're sending files between the two and you want to just jump in between those two apps to retrieve and send. There are obviously many other uses there, that just the ones that I can think of off the top of my head. But without further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's jump into the Chromebook first of all, and I'll show you how to split that into two screens. This was actually invented, I guess you could call it, by Windows originally, and the Pixel 6 ability to do that, as well as the Pixel 5 and pretty much all Android phones. I think that was an Android exclusive. To my knowledge, even today, that is, no other phone can do that other than Android phones. So I'm going to minimize myself. I'm going to jump into the Unviral Videos Chromebook, and we'll walk through that process of splitting the screen into and using those simultaneously. So 1 second, I'm going small. Okay, so here we have the Unviral Videos Chromebook, and we are going to just simply split this into two screens that you can use at the same time. So as you can see, I'm working on this video at the moment, and what we're going to do is click the mouse on the top bar where it's blue, and then simply drag. If you hold your finger on the blue bar with the pressed button, and then drag that across to the left so that the mouse hits the side of the screen, you'll see a little grid show up. Let go of the button, and then that will stay as half the screen. And then anything else that you want to work with at the same time, do the same again. The blue bar at the top, or any color bar at the top, press and hold your finger on the button and drag that to the other side. And of course it's not working now, is it? My Chromebook is being slow again, so let's open that up again. It will come out big screen. That's going to show up like that. And then you want to hold your button on it, drag it across to the far right, release the button, and that will come up as another screen. Just like that. My apologies for my Chromebook, it is getting a bit slow lately, but it's bearable, isn't it? And that's basically how to split screen in a Chromebook. Say you want to enlarge something again, say I wanted to see the right side of the left panel there. All you need to do is press the full screen maximize button, and that will go back into the full screen. If you want to go back into the other section of the screen, again, you can just press the same button and that will go back across. So you can work both now with these. You can do what you want on both sides, and that will just work as you need it to. Mostly, I think people would want to use this as maybe having YouTube this side or something of a video browser, and then their actual work, what they're doing this side, or vice versa, and go for it like that. But it works with any app at all, and very easy to do. And that's it. That's all you need to do for the Chromebook. And once again, to get out of that, if you need to use the big screen, Once again, just maximize, and that'll make it big. Minimize, that'll return it to split screen. And if you want to get rid of that altogether, it's always just the close button. And that's that. That's all you need to do. So that's how to do it on the Chromebook. I will now go into the Unviral Videos Pixel 6, and I will then show you how to split the screen on the Pixel 6. And that will work the same way, other than it will be a horizontal split rather than a vertical split, for obvious reasons, that the screen is wider vertically than it is horizontally. So let's jump on the Pixel 6 now and we can get on with that. So one thing you need to keep in mind is that you need to have both screens that you'd like to be using simultaneously. You need to have both of those open within the phone. So all you'd need to do with that is open an app that you wish to use, press the home button, which is the circle at the center at the bottom, and then go into your secondary app, and then we'll go into how to split the screen and use both those apps simultaneously. So here we go. We are now on the Pixel 6 screen. Let's do this. So you're going to want to open two apps, like I said. At the moment, I've already got an app open, so I'm just going to now open my secondary app, which you can see is going to be Files. And then what you're going to want to do is press the square button, and then go to the top where you've got the little icon, press split screen, and then press on your secondary app, and that will split those into two separate screens on the Pixel 6, and you can use those at the same time. If you want to get rid of one of those screens, just press on the line that divides them, swipe that down or up depending on which you want to get away with, and then same again if you want to open another two apps and use those at the same time. I'm just going to demonstrate now. If you had YouTube or something open and you wanted to watch a video whilst typing a message or several messages, you can do that. As you can see, the video is playing on the top screen, and I'm still using the secondary bottom screen at the same time. To come out of that, you either swipe up or down from the separation line, and then press square and clear all of your apps, and that is it. That's simply how it's done. And that's it. That's all you need to do. That's simply how to split screen both the Chromebook and the Pixel 6 devices. And again, that will on the phones, the Android devices, as long as they're Android devices, you can use that split screen feature on any Android device. It's not exclusive to Pixel lines. You can use them on any Android device. So thanks for watching today. I hope you've learned something new. I hope that's very helpful for you, and I hope you have a good day. Cheers. Bye.